Hi there, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Gonzalez. A couple of you all were asking if I could do a read aloud, those of y'all who are not able to get into Study Sync. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. This particular passage is called Damon and Pythias. It is a drama, and so therefore I'm going to go ahead and get started. The characters are Damon, Pythias, king, soldier, first robber, second robber, mother, narrator, first voice, second voice, and third voice. Long, long ago, there lived on the island of Sicily 2 young men named Damon and Pythias. They were known far and wide for the strong friendship each had for the other. Their names have come down to our own times to mean true friendship. You may hear it said of 2 persons. Those 2, why, they're like Damon and Pythias. The king of that country was a cruel tyrant. He made cruel laws, and he showed no mercy toward anyone who broke his laws. Now you might very well wonder, second voice, why didn't the people rebel? Narrator, well, the people didn't dare rebel because they feared the king's great and powerful army. No one dared say a word against the king or his laws except Damon and Pythias. One day a soldier overheard Pythias speaking against a new law the king had proclaimed. Soldier, ho there, who are you that dares to speak so about our king? Pythias, unafraid, I am called Pythias. Soldier, don't you know it's a crime to speak against the king or his laws? You are under arrest. Come and tell this opinion of yours to the king's face.